All right, one last thing before we finish this section. I noticed a tiny problem in the current implementation. If we take this application on a different machine and run node index.js, it terminates without telling us what happened. Now, in the current implementation, we're using Winston to handle exceptions, and we're using only a file transport. So if you look at this file, you can see why our application crashed. This is good for a production environment, but if you give this application to a new developer on the team and they run it, they have no idea what's going on. So we should add a console transport to display unhandled exceptions on the console as well. So new Winston.transports.console. And here we can pass options. I'm going to set a couple of properties here to make it easier to read these exceptions on the console. The first one is colorize, which we set to true, and the other is pretty print. So with these two options, now let's go back to the terminal and run the application one more time. So we have this beautiful colorized error message. You can see the reason our application failed is because we have not defined JWT private key.